What's up, guys? Got on a Snap-on truck today. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I see them on eBay every now and then, 60, 70 bucks. And they're used, gently used, whatever. So I got on a Snap-on truck today, had one. It was 100 bucks. But it is what it is. It is fine tooth. And this Snap-on multi-head. And you can use this thing to get up under things with extensions and stuff like that, on top of using your ratchet. There's the number right there. It's F293-6A. So, and of course you see it is made in the USA. But it's just another thing I'm collecting, put in my tool collection. Because you know, things just haven't been working out for me late, so that's why I'm getting ready to go get my CDLs and hit the road for a little bit, and then come back and see what's left. If there is going to be a country left. They're talking about striking North Korea. You know, there's always got to be an idiot out there that likes to test people. And when they get blowed up, then they come out and boo-hoo about it, and everybody feels sorry for them and wants to give them everything so they can go blow up more people. But anyway, so guys, this is a Snap-on multi-head. I got it today off the Snap-on truck. No, I didn't film the Snap-on truck because I'm getting ready to leave for about 6 weeks. I'm gonna just film things that I see here and there. So till the next time, guys, bye bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit that bell. Bye bye.